Hi, this is Linda Price, and I said yesterday that I would be doing my new Tsunami Rose design team journal with the new Jane Austen kit. And so it's the Christmas one. And this is such a beautiful um, number of pages. She has so many beautiful images of I guess it's Jane Austen because they all sort of look the same. I'm not real familiar with Jane Austen. I'm going to have to. I know that she wrote a lot of books and I've read them all, but I don't know about her life. But I know that several of you are into um, things made with her papers, papers of her, and so this is my introduction to it, and so I'll just learn more about it the more I do these. But these papers are just so beautiful. It was so hard to cover up every page. I had to really um, think of other ways to do this journal because you don't want to cover up these images. They're just every page is so pretty. You want to be able to see it. So let me take the cover off. And what I did was I purchased an ornament from Hobby Lobby. And you know that I do the tatting. And so I like to add tatting to ornaments at Christmas. I've done that for years. I find there's this place up in Pigeon Forge called the Christmas Place, and they have beautiful ornaments. And I always find a bunch of them and do them up every Christmas. And right now I'm just about out of those. I started selling them a little early, but Hobby Lobby has some really pretty ones too. And this is a real sparkly one, so that's why I bought it because it just went with everything in the whole theme of the book. And then I had this is fabric. It was a curtain, and it was just a beautiful sheer type of curtain with all kinds of designs on it. So I have a lot of that left, so I'll be making, and I have made more journals in the past with this too. And then I just trimmed it out with, I wanted to keep it simple because I really wanted to show the elegance of the ornament. And so here it goes. And this is the inside cover, and use some of her ephemera here. And excuse me, I wanted to start out with this page because I think there's nothing more grander than a grand staircase. And I just love this page to where she's walking down this staircase. And I put some of my tatting at the top. And I added these little red rhinestones all through it. And it's so colorful. Everything is so colorful. So there she is walking down that grand staircase. And here's another one of the pages. And I added a lot of little booklets to this because, like I said, I did not want to cover up these images. So the only thing I could do is to add these little booklets, and I'll show you. You know, I get into certain kind of things, and I've been into little booklets lately. So this is the booklet that I added, and it's got papers in it that can be written on. And I like this things to do. These are throughout the journal. So, and then I got these. I love these square doilies from Tattered Dream, and so I got some more of these so I could make these little envelopes. And here's her tags. Then I added my tatting at the top. I did it in red. So, I mean, this is so colorful, this whole book. This one right here, this comes off. It's a paper clip. And it opens up. And you can journal on this too. But I didn't want to cover up anything. It was so hard. Another page that you can journal on. And another little book. So you'll see a lot of these in here. This is a trifold one that I put in here. And I mean, the elegant curtains and just everything, the outfits just are so beautiful. Here's another journaling page, another booklet. Just open this one up. This is a 2-pager one with more beautiful curtains in the background, beautiful women. And here's the middle. And I had some of this paper that I used in the middle. And I guess she's with her friend there. And she's looking on over here at them. I tried to kind of make little scenes to see if you could kind of figure out maybe what they're doing. She's posing here. And I added another, these are the little tatted toppers. Another book here. And lots of lace trim also. I love lace trim. I like these pages with the addition of the lady here. And then you can journal. And then I added some red tatting up here, up in the curtain area. And another beautiful lady. And another things to do. And this is, I did a regular page here, so I didn't have to cover anything up. So I put these also. She has postcards that come with the kit, and then these tags that come with the kit of all the women in their beautiful dresses. And then I've got a lot of this one I don't have in, but in the past pages I have things also put in the inserts of these pages. More journaling, another little booklet with music pages. You can journal on the back, and here's some more of the, I took a little glassine bag there and got some stickers at the Dollar Tree. Use those. And here's another, this was wrapping paper that I had from last year. I found that, I think, at TJ Maxx. And another booklet. It's a good thing I made up a lot of these because I used them all. I gotta make some more up. And then little cards in here. And then lots of places to put things. And I got this little, I bought a little towel from the Dollar Tree, and they had a bunch of poinsettias on them, so I cut some out and put them in here too. There's my tag topper there, and these stamps just went perfectly with the whole look of the book. And this was an envelope I made that I put some paper in there also, and then you can journal here. Excuse me. And then another page over here, and like I said, throughout the book I would put tatting, like I added some tatting right here, and then these little red rhinestones, and And I did some stenciling also. And also more tag toppers here. And some music stamps. And this page right here is, I tried to do a fold-out page, which you can see where you can, did some stenciling on there, and you can use that as a journaling area. And you can also pull it out here and journal on that. So I use that as a nice fold-out on both sides. Another one of her pages. And then I just took this one and made a little envelope out of it here. And then here's one of the cards that comes with it, with the whole thing. Very colorful, very, very elegant looking. I tried to keep it very elegant looking. And I love a traditional, beautiful, elegant Christmas. And that's what these papers remind me of. It's another one of her pages, and then one of her postcards with the holly on it. And another page with an image on it. And here's another beautiful picture. And I put some of the red stones there. You can see every page is just gorgeous. And here is a little side pocket that I put one of her cards in. And you can write on the back of that. More journaling. And this also folds out. Then you just turn it over here and journal some more. So I tried to add more journaling space, even though most of the pages were these women with the beautiful curtains, and the backdrops are just gorgeous. And let's see. And also she had a lot of these too, a lot of these little tags that you can write on the back. And another one of pretty Jane Austen pictures. Some more tatting. That looks black, but it's actually green. Green and red. Yeah, it's a dark green Christmas, dark Christmas green. So that's another beautiful page too. Another things to do page. And here's another one of these little booklets. This page was a little more subdued. It wasn't as red, and so I took the opportunity to put some pink in here because I like pink too. And here's these are my from my tatted pages that I've made copies of. And another tag in here. And that beautiful curtain up there with a lady standing next to it. You can see these pages are just unbelievable. And another lady in blue. And where you can journal on here too. And more of this stamp that's just kind of fits right in with it. And another page of beautiful costume. And I did a glassine bag and added my little tatting and little red rhinestones. And then also another one of these pretty shiny poinsettias. And elegant curtains again. I'll put some things in here. She has plenty of pages of different designs, and she's kind of copied them into smaller ones, and added a little a different type of design so that it doesn't look the same. So they all coordinate really well. Everything coordinates so well. And here's another. I made a pocket out of this lady. And then put some, I had some red vintage type of trim. It actually was a vintage doily that I cut up. And another one of the pages, and you can journal here. Another things to do page. She has several of those. I mean, because we have lots to do at Christmas, don't we? And then the holidays, there's just lots going on. We have to have plenty of space for that. More journaling. I love this image. I think this coat and the hat, everything is just so beautiful. It's actually a dark green. It looks darker, but it's a beautiful Christmas green. Another trim with a stamp. And here's a bigger image of this beautiful coat she's wearing. I love that. So, and then here's another little book. Just get that open. You can see, got music pages in here. And then another, I folded this up, cut it down a little bit, put it in the back here. And this is the back page where I have one of the postcards also. And I made also put this back here. Let's see. Let's stuff that in there. So that's my journal and back page also. And it's just the whole thing is so elegant and just so traditional Christmas, and how you can just take yourself back in time and see what went on and all the parties and everything, the get-togethers they have, and it's just a gorgeous set. So since this is new, you probably haven't seen these pages very much yet. I know there's other people, design team members, that are doing this. She wanted all of us as much as possible to do this, just to get it out there. And, you know, she has a new website. I think it's called www.tsunamiRose.net. And you can find them on there. And so just wanted to show this to you. And I had a lot of fun doing this. I enjoyed it. It just got me in the Christmas spirit, and so hope you enjoyed looking at it, and I'd love for you to subscribe. I thank you for all the newer subscriptions that I have, and thank you for your comments, and I tried to answer them, and I'm going to have to go check on my computer. I can't look on my phone. They don't show up, so I've got to get on my computer and see what you've written. So thank you again. And have a wonderful holiday. Bye-bye.